Can marketers like me brainwash you into buying something? Of course not. But it is true that marketers have somewhat an influence on society. Here are some ways how I think we as an industry could be doing better. As customers are becoming more and more demanding, as they should, some companies are really taking more and more liberties to lie about their green credentials. I would highly recommend checking out this website as it features the latest 2022 to 2023 ranking for brands that are greenwashing. This can include addicts or small children, for example, generally audiences that have more limited decision-making capabilities and therefore should not be targeted with campaigns. This is something I personally feel very strongly about and should really be a no-brainer. I can't end this video without calling out some of my fellow creators. I think labeling content as an ad or sponsored should be standard practice by now, and I'm still shocked to see how liberally some individuals hide the fact that they are being paid. So let's do better. Here's part of a series where we talk about the 50 most important marketing concepts, strategies, and tips in marketing. So if you want to learn something, come along and follow here.